家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, it's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Alice 啊，这个月我们都在聊自然，对，现在又夏天快到了，
玩水吗？
你喜欢海边吗？
喜欢。
Yeah, not too bad, right? Okay, let's talk about the ocean. 海怎么说？
Hoi。
Okay. 尤其台湾啊是个海岛型国家，太多的资源了，好吗？ Taiwan is an island country.
台灣係海島型國家。
台灣係海島型國家。台灣是海島型國家，海島是海島。Oh, that means an island surrounded by ocean, right? 然後呢，去海邊呢，當然要玩水上運動哦。When we go to the beach side, let's play some water sports.
去海巡教。
去海巡教。
水空運動。
水空運動。運動我們常教嘛，就是運動 that's exercise. But water sports on the water 就是水空運動 that means again water sports. Very good. Now let's review all these terms like the ocean 海 and then 海島 island
海島
and then 水上運動 again water sports
水空運動
And there you have it. It's summertime, so go enjoy that sunshine. And that does it for today's Daily Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字四張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.